Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Traveljoy versus TripIt in 2025 and see who really handles client bookings better. Let's dive in. Traveljoy is built for travel professionals. It gives agents tools to manage client bookings, invoices, messaging, and even e-signatures, all in one platform. It's designed to keep client communication smooth and make booking management easy for agencies and planners. TripIt, on the other hand, is more of a personal travel organizer. You forward your confirmations and TripIt automatically builds a master itinerary for flights, hotels, and rentals. It's great for travelers who want everything in one place, but it doesn't manage payments or client relationships like Traveljoy does. So, if you're a travel agent or planner handling multiple clients, Traveljoy is the stronger choice. But if you're an individual traveler who just wants a simple itinerary manager, TripIt is the easier option. Thanks for watching this comparison and I'll see you in the next one.